Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal, and this is like a tall, slim, skinny journal. Well, it's not actually that skinny, it's probably just slightly taller than a traveller's notebook style journal, the standard size one. I've used a lot of digitals from Taylormadejournals, some of my own, a few other bits in the journal as well. This will be listed over on my coffee shop. If you use the link that I'll provide below in the description box, it will give you 20% off, and there is other journals over there at the moment, so go check them out. Right, so let's get started. Now, I don't know how many pages. Sorry, this is hiding all the mess because I've now started on another couple of journals. This is hiding all the mess. It is 8 3/4 by about 4 1/4. I think there's about 40 pages front and back, but I'm not sure. I haven't written anything down, but I will. On the listing there will be all the information. Right, so this closure is this, just a little tag pocket. That tag is Artymaze. This image is from Taylormadejournals. I can't remember what that one's called. What I'll do is I will link them all individually in the description box. So that comes off, and that's the closure there. This is Taylormadejournals, and I did shrink that down a little bit, and I've used stickers on here. They're my new thing at the moment, is stickers. So there's a kind of vintagey floral theme going on in here. So that technically is the cover, but it's like a short cover. You can see I've got a sticker on there as well. And these are bigger, but like I said, I did shrink that down to fit this. So there's journal space here. This is actually from one of my French ephemera kit on my coffee shop, and then we've got a sticker. We've got this, I can't remember where they came from, but it was 2 pages worth of little, have I got any? Yeah, I've got loads here. Obviously I've cut these all up a little bit. There's like 2 pages full of these little floral, like tickety type things. I don't know what you call them, but anyway, I've used some on here. This is some Artymaze paper, done some stenciling here. This is from the Old Design Shop, and the Old Design Shop has a 50% sale on at the moment, so go check that out. The background tag there is Artymaze, and these are from Artymaze, and they're the Belladonna kit. This is from my French ephemera kit. Now these were original pieces that I've scanned in to make that kit. So that goes in there. Done some punching here, like I said, stenciling there, somewhere to journal, a little fat coffee dyed fabric ruffle sticker. This is from Taylormadejournals as well, one of the like French ephemera kits. Artymaze background tag and image, the Belladonna. This is, I don't know, can't remember everything. Can I? Clearly. This is Taylormadejournals. That is called, what kit is that? I can't remember. I'll have to have a look. Then here we've got some French ephemera. I believe that is my dog barking. I believe that is from, I don't know actually. It could be the Old Design Shop. Then here is just a little notebook, little scrap, oops, that way. A little scrappy notebook, and I've put it, no, it's that way. Yeah, little scrappy notebook. I'll just put some odd bits of paper in there. That's just a little bit there. And that goes there. That's one of them little from the, oh, there we go. It's from Citrus Journal Studios on it, see this? I think that's what it's called, Citrus, and I just use that as just a little wraparound thing, sticker there. This is Taylormadejournals. These are a freebie, not with the stickers on them though, obviously, but these are a freebie digital over on my coffee shop. Go check that out. I made some pockets using some scrappy pieces of book page from England is a Garden, another tag there, it's all from Artymaze. And this is, I don't know, Taylormadejournals, I think. I've just inked up around the edges. Some square paper with some punching. I do that on my Bind It All. Some more stenciling. Another piece there from Taylormadejournals. And this is the old design shop. Just folded it in half and inked it up. Another tag there from the Belladonna ladies on there. And this is from Artymaze, from our French ephemera kit. Some stenciling there. I just popped some stickers on the backs of these. They are open, so you can tuck things in there. And then this, I don't know who that's from, but I had obviously printed on paper with obviously this gridded paper, not gridded, squared paper, and I didn't realise, and I'd put it back in, and then I printed that, but it worked out fine. And that goes on there. And my little postcard there. I'm actually making some of them postcards for as a digital. And then I've just put some little tiny beads, like crystal-y type beads. They're not obviously real crystal, like the glass, is it faceted, is that what they call that? And little pink beads there. This is from Taylormadejournals. And then here we've got another little postcard with a sticker on there, and that is opened. And then this piece here, again, that was squared paper on the back, and then that stenciling, little pocket, and I don't think I did mention, but on each of them they've got some of these from Citrus Journal Studio. Little tags, some ephemera. I think that's again Taylormadejournals. Excuse me. This is from the old design shop, I believe. I think. Stenciling. That's just a little flip out, and then we've got this piece here, which is from the old design shop. Little postcard there from Artymaze, and then, like I said, stenciling and a sticker there. Little sticker here. One of these from Citrus Journal Studio. They're on Etsy, obviously. Little postcard, a tag there. Some French ephemera letters, like letter envelopes. And again, this is a freebie. You get 3 on a page. And it comes with another couple of other things as well. Maybe it's a 3 or 4 or 5 page kit, freebie kit, I can't remember. I think it's 5 pages. Little sticker on the top there. No pocket, postcard there from Artymaze, tag from Artymaze. These are Artymaze as well. Some ruffle, little flip up, and then in there we've got a tag and a little ticket there. You can journal on there and on there, and then another tag there. That image is from Ruby and Pearl, and then this little piece is from Taylormadejournals. Stenciling, and then here we've got an envelope. Flips out. This is from one of my kits as well. I'll link that below too. Can't remember which one. We have another tag. There's an image in there. That image is from Tracy Fox. Is it the Dusky Rose kit, I think? Then I've just done a little bit of collaging here with the butterfly from Artymaze. Little sticker there, and then that's the cover. So that is the journal. So if you're interested in this or any other journal that I have in my shop, check out my discount link below with 20% off. And yeah, and that includes digitals as well. So that goes on there, and we just tie it up like so. And the fabric is cotton fabric that has been tea and coffee dyed. and the weather's really good at the moment, so it's been naturally drying, and it gives like darker pieces in places. So there we go. If you have any questions, please ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.